Hello and welcome. I recently got a bunch of these candle holder molds. You put the taper candles in them. And so I'm gonna actually do all of them today. And I just want to try some different color combinations. And I'm going to be using Jesin today. And the colors I gravitated towards for today are blurry, jet. So I'll be using a combination of those. I'm probably gonna make these two the same type because once they're complete, they cross over each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some of the Jesin and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and I've mixed up my Jesin and I made 300 grams, which is about 6 ounces. More than likely, it's not gonna be enough to do both of these, but I'll see what I get out of it. And I'm gonna separate, I'm gonna take 2 ounces in one cup and then 2 ounces in another cup and leave 2 ounces in the big cup. Okay. So for this first one, I'm going to put that blurry. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to put jet, which is black. Alright, now that I have those mixed, I'm just going to put them back into the cup with the plain. And now that I have that in there, I'm just going to pour directly into the mold. Alright, that wasn't even close to being enough. I'd only filled it about 1/3. So I'm going to make more. Alright, for this side, I'm actually going to do the opposite pour. So I'm going to start with the black, and I'm going to pour the pink in. And then white, or natural. And I'm going to do the same thing and just pour that straight in the mold. Alright, I'm going to top this one off. Okay, now that these are all topped up, I'm going to let them sit and cure until they're completely hard. I do know it says that you can demold in like 30 minutes or something, but because this was actually a pretty large pour, I think in all I probably used 30 ounces or close to that of the Jesin. Pretty much almost out of it now. So I'm going to let these sit and cure. I know I had 3 other molds I was going to work on, but I'm going to hold off on doing those. I'm just going to focus this video on this right here. So I will let these firm up, harden, cure, whatever you want to call it, and I will be back. Alright, these are now cured, and so I'm going to go ahead and demold. Alright, you ready? Oh, that turned out super cool. I love it. I like how it's like feathered looking over here. That's really awesome. Alright, and then this one. I like that too. It almost has like a agate look to it. Or geode. It's very cool. And so as I was telling you all earlier, these stack. So you have one that goes like this and one that goes like that. I mean, you don't have to put them together, but you are able to do so. And when they're put together like that, that looks super cool. I'll pull you down so you can see. See how cool that looks? I'm obsessed. And you can also flip it if you want it. More of this angle. So cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.